Hello, Joe. I'm making this video for you to show how you can save your profiles and add into a new MT4 platform, whatever the broker is, right? I hope it will work, but whatever the work, how do you save it? Even if you don't change the broker, sometimes what happens is your MT4 freezes badly and then you have to just open a new one, right? Then what do you do? All your work is gone. So what you do is that once you have, like for example, I have all these profiles made, right? Similarly, I have all these templates. You see, bunch of templates, right? Huge line yard. So all these templates are made and saved. I have a lot of useless, from the past, but whatever it is. And then MQL4 folder where you have EAs and indicators and all of that. So how do you save all of them? Go here, copy. Sorry, file. And then you see this data folder. Click on that. And here are these folders, right? So MQL folder, profiles, template. These are the three folders that you want to save. So highlight, right click, and copy, right? And then you go on your desktop, open a folder tab, and then go on your desktop. And I have a lot of garbage on my desktop. I need to clean that up. So, but anyway, here you drop, or maybe you want to go on, like some small folder, like maybe my pictures or whatever, right? Here, for example, it's nothing here, right? So I'm going to drop it here. You see, it's copying it. So the whole thing is going to copy here. The folder will stay here as a profile. Okay, where the heck is folder? Oh, okay, I copy the MQL4, right? So I copy this one. Similarly, you can go back and you can copy profile like this, and it's gonna take some time to copy here, but you got the idea, right? Because it's a lot of, see, it's gonna slowly, well, it's not that slow. So let's see, how many things. A lot of items I have. That's why it's taking time. So three folders, MQL4, templates, and profile. You copy someplace, save. Right? Even USB, you can save it, right? Desktop, my picture, my document, or USB, whatever. So that will be, your work will be saved all the time. Now, when you open a new MT4, then simply you don't have anything there, right? So what you do is that you open the folder. You will come back here, and the reason I'm downloading it here, so I want to show you something, because a lot of people make mistake that they copy and paste the folder over there. So you're not supposed to do that, and keep the original folder with the broker, new MT4. But what you do is that you double click here, and this folder will open up, right? So you copy all of that by press and hold this control button, and then click, and then go down, and it will copy every single thing. Right? The content. My MT4 is my computer is getting very slow now because I have a lot of garbage I got. So you got the all right. Anyway, so so you copy from the content from here, and then you go in the new, for example, here again, you go here, then new MT4, by the way, right? And then you click here, open data folder, and then over there you double click and open the profile folder of the new MT4, and then you drop all those content of the folder that you copy here. Okay, so that all the profile will show up. Similarly, do the same thing with the templates. Open the template folder on your desktop, copy the content, come here and click the template folder and drop it here. Similarly, MQL4, you go there, MQL4, you have indicator folder here and expert advisor here. So you have EAs, the one I gave you, right? Expert advisor, you go and copy from there and then post in this folder. And indicators, copy from there and post. You open this folder up and then drop the indicators here. All right. So all your work, indicators, your profile, your template, everything will be saved, and your new MT4 will be up and running in minutes. I hope you got it right. So this is it. Just wanted to show you so that you can do your job right. So I'm gonna post this on the Telegram as well. So if somebody else need to know and want to do that, right? So people, they get shot, their MT4 get shot all the time, right? So new MT4, you open a new MT4, you have to go through all of that. I used to do that long time ago, years ago. But then I says, what the heck, I gotta find out a way to not go through that. So this is how it is, right? And just let me know when you want to do the next session. So I'll do it. I'll make time for you, no problem. All right. All right. Bye for now.